Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Cash App application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Cash App and start your search. Once you find the Cash App application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Just tap on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Cash App application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the Open button, you can tap on it to open up the app right away. Once the application is opened, you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using Cash App right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Cash App application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.